Same family, same flight. But a 6-year-old's airplane bag and a 12-year-old's airplane bag look almost nothing alike. And the difference tells you everything about how packing for kids changes as they grow. I'm Mama Bird, and we're a family of 5 heading to Vancouver for our Alaska cruise. 3 kids, ages 6, 9, and 12, and 3 completely different airplane bags. Here's how they break down by age. At 6, you're packing things to build and play with. Little brother's bag is the fullest of the 3, and it's all hands-on. Magnet tiles that double as a building platform on the tray table, a little zip-top bag of tiny cars, an Imagine Ink book, a dry erase board. At this age, the bag is doing a lot of work. He needs variety, he needs things he can touch and move and create with. And he needs enough options that when one thing loses his attention, there's another ready to go. At 9, it shifts from play to create. Sister doesn't need constant variety the way her little brother does. Give her one thing she can make or design and she's happy for hours. Her bag is built around a rainbow loom, an MP3 player so she can listen to music while she works, a sticker by number book, her dry erase board. It's a more focused bag, fewer items, but each one goes further because at this age, she can stay with something instead of needing to bounce between things. And at 12, the bag gets light, really light. Big brother is genuinely happy with a Kindle loaded with books, his Switch, and a travel chess set. That's most of it. And that's not because he's harder to pack for, it's because he needs less. By 12, a good book does most of the work an entire bag of activities used to do. Same family, same flight, 3 completely different bags. And honestly, that's the biggest lesson I've learned packing for kids. Don't pack for the kid you wish you had on a plane. Pack for the child you actually have. I broke down every single item in all 3 bags, every game, every activity, every tiny little car over on the blog. The full list is linked in the description, organized by kid, so if you want the specifics, that's where to find them. We've got a lot of Alaska ahead of us, and I cannot wait to bring you along. If you don't want to miss any of it, make sure you're subscribed to Mama Bird Adventures, because, after all, we're birds of a feather that travel together.